Hello, everyone. Have you gone to Japan yet? For those already been, how was it? Did you had a chance to try onsen? Did you like it? Or was it little intimidated, you passed on it? For those who are curious about onsen, but want to know how to get through it, or want to know the etiquette before experiencing onsen, this video will be perfect for you. Next time you have a chance to try onsen, you will be confident and will enjoy one of Japanese favorite leisure onsen. An onsen is a natural hot spring bath in Japan, geothermically heated underground by volcanic activity. Soaking in an onsen offers more than relaxation. It provides various health benefits due to its mineral-rich composition. Every onsen has a unique mineral composition, but typically you can find sulfur, help cure skin conditions like acne and eczema. Also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that soothe and heal the skin. Sodium chloride, improve blood circulation and reduce muscle tension. This is why many professional sport players come to onsen on off-season. Magnesium, heal muscle pain and release your stress. Silica, promotes healthy skin and beneficial for maintaining skin elasticity. Okay, now, let's enter the onsen locker room. The entrance is, of course, separated to men and women. Most of the time, you need to bring your room key to enter the locker room or sometimes enter a code. So please check with the front desk when you first check into the hotel. When you enter the locker room, you will see small lockers with key. In the locker room, you also notice that there is vanity room with free-to-use face lotion, hairbrush, and hair dryers. These cannot take into your room. It is free to share with everyone in the room. Also, you will find body wash, shampoo, and conditioner at washing booth when you enter the onsen. Good vibe is maintained with good etiquette. It starts from keeping the space clean and respect others.
Usually you can find yukata in your hotel room. If not, wear easy to put on and off outfit like a sweatshirt and a pant. It is essential to remove your wedding ring or any accessories. Onsen minerals can react with metals, potentially altering their color when in contact with the onsen water.
Most likely there is no bath towels inside onsen. You have to bring your towels from your hotel room. Along with bath towels, make sure you bring the rectangle towel. The rectangle towel is useful in two ways. 1. Wrap your hair if you don't want to wet your hair. 2. Is to cover your front side with this towel when you enter the onsen.
Now you entered the onsen. Before soaking to onsen, let wash your hair and body at the washing booth. First, fill up oak, which is a small bucket with hot water, and rinse the stool chair, so you can sit while washing. Now you are ready to soak into onsen. Let me review one last time the 3 important points. 1. Wash your body before soaking to onsen. 2. Don't wear swimwear, use rectangle towel to cover your front side when enter onsen. 3. Make sure your hair and rectangle towel cannot touch onsen water. You can fold the towel and put it on top of your head until exit the onsen. I hope the onsen will give you a memorable experience and feel the health benefit next day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions or any request of Japanese etiquette video, please let me know in a comment. Thank you for watching. See you again.